in math input, for instance, I have a picture of a plot. Maybe it's coming from MATLAB or some Excel graph. There isn't much texture, and there are maybe small but important details. There is a curve. It is crossing some axis, something like that. And the questions that we want to answer, like how many zeros does a function t have? Or list all the continuities of this function. Such information is difficult to learn because the current image encoders focus on global information. With this benchmark dataset, we are motivating people to look into this gap and think about better solutions that would leverage the local information. This is a very challenging dataset. We provide more than 200,000 example plots. We have single function plots. We have multifunction plots. We have plots within plots. We have multiple plots. There is significant progress to be made.